Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, November 6, 2021. Today's video is about Banknotes of Demerary and Essequibo. Banknotes of Demerary and Essequibo were issued by the British colonies of Demerara and Essequibo from 1809 through 1839. They were dual-denominated in guilders and joes, a term used by the British colonists to refer to the Portuguese gold Johannes coin and the notes that eventually replaced them. Despite roughly 30 years of use, the only joe notes known to exist are unissued remainders from the 1830s. This 20 joes banknote forms part of the National Numismatic Collection at the Smithsonian Institution. Other denominations: 1 joe, 2 joes, 3 joes, 10 joes. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.